Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to lock your notes on Apple Notes easily with iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go open your Apple Note. You just need to open your app library and you just need to type notes there, and after that you just need to click to open it. Now you just need to decide which notes that you want to lock. So here I already found one, so you just need to go click and hold the documents or the notes that you want to lock. Click and hold. And there will be pop up here the options about the notes, and then you just need to go click the lock notes. Follow the instruction. If you want to lock, you just need to go click lock now, and the documents already locked it. If you want to lock another one, you just need to go click and hold again and go click lock note, and you just need to enter the passcode of your phone. And to lock them, you just need to go click lock now, and the note is already locked. You just need to go click view note if you want to open it and enter the passcode that you entered before. So that is the way how to lock the notes on Apple Note. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll let you see you for the next tutorial.